Folks, y'all had best lock in because I got a good one today. If you're like me, you went back and forth for a long time on whether to go with an electric pressure washer or a gas unit, and which one would serve your needs best. Well, I can tell you they both have benefits and drawbacks, and depending on what your needs are, the answer is not going to be the same. So we're going to get into it. Bauer 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. About 190 bucks, brand new. DeWalt gas powered 3400 PSI pressure washer. Lightly used, $299. I've used both extensively. The Bauer's probably got about 100 use hours on it, and the DeWalt probably has about 25 to 40 use hours on it. So next up, I'm gonna hook them up one at a time, and you can see what each one will do for the same 45-degree head for about a 5-second pass that covers maybe 1.5 feet. You really need to hook up all your hoses and then turn the water onto the hose and let it run for 40 to 90 seconds. Let it get all the air out. A good rule of thumb is that if it's not ice cold yet, then you probably haven't totally primed this hose. Alright, next up we're going to put the spray hose into the machine. These threads on any pressure washer are prone to stripping out anyway, so when you take this off, make sure you turn the hose off and spray any remaining pressure out of the hose before you unscrew this, or it'll mess up the last few threads on your way out. Alright, we are going to plug the electric one in. Now that we've got the power and the spray gun hose plugged in, we are going to hook up the main supply hose. I've got it kinked here. Just the same as we primed all the air out of the main supply line, we're going to do the same thing with this little hose. So you're going to hold the trigger down. We are actually going to go ahead and take a quick grip and just pin the throttle. I'll point out a few advantages to the electric. If the pressure coming out of it will serve your needs, then some advantages are that it's not all that loud, it doesn't weigh all that much to get in and out of a truck bed, and it doesn't take any gas or oil whatsoever, which are 3 really good positives. Those 3 same factors work against the gas one. It's very heavy, it's very loud, and you have to keep filling it up with gas, and it never hurts to occasionally check the oil. Mine doesn't leak, but you always want to check that. It does have a low oil shutoff switch to help protect it from damaging itself, but it's just one more thing to worry about that you don't have to worry about with the weaker, smaller electric one. Alright, there you have it. A pass at the same speed and distance with both. We're going to let those dry, during which time I'm going to give y'all a good satisfying ASMR time lapse. Look, if y'all still in this video at this point halfway through, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is one of many to come. I'm always out here taking the mystery out of these tools, out of these fence repairs, making it look easy so you can do it easily. Alright, so what did we learn? The electric pressure washer, quieter, lighter weight, doesn't take any gasoline. However, its uses are limited to automotive cleanup, light fence work, concrete work. If you're a homeowner and you've got the time, it will clean concrete and wood just fine. Its drawbacks, which are exactly the benefits of the gas-powered pressure washer, despite its increased weight, need for gasoline, and increased noise, are that it's much more powerful. If you are a contractor looking to make money with the services that a pressure washer provides, the gas pressure washer has a much easier time blasting through stain, dirt, and algae on used fencing pickets. It has a much easier time blasting through dirt, algae, and grease on concrete. And above all else, it's just more powerful. Any given task that you could do with the electric pressure washer, you can do with the gas pressure washer slightly quicker. You know, if you're worried about chipping off paint due to the increased PSI and gallons per minute of the gas pressure washer, then you can just stand back another 4 inches past what you would with the electric pressure washer. So the bottom line is that if you're a homeowner and you've got a whole Sunday to dedicate to cleaning the truck, cleaning the sidewalk, the driveway, pressure washing the outside of the windows for your wife, there's nothing wrong with an electric pressure washer. But if you're a contractor looking to get paid and make ends meet and get your results as soon as possible, a gas-powered pressure washer is probably worth the extra 80 to 100% cost because it's just so much faster. I mean, we saw in our diagram earlier, it's just so much more powerful. It just delivers so much more water at such an increased rate of speed that if you're looking to make money and make a living to a degree with power washing, gas pressure washer is the way to go.